In the realm of car care and maintenance, Paintless Dent Repair stands out as a remarkable solution for addressing dents and dings without compromising the vehicle's original paint finish. This innovative technique offers a host of benefits that make it a preferred choice for many car owners. Let's delve into the incredible advantages of Paintless Dent Repair. Preservation of original paint. Unlike traditional dent repair methods that involve sanding, filling, and repainting, PDR preserves the original paint of the vehicle. This maintains the car's factory finish and helps retain its aesthetic appeal. Cost-effective solution. Paintless dent repair is often more affordable compared to conventional dent repair techniques. Since it requires fewer materials and less labor, it can save car owners significant amounts of money. Time-efficient process. PDR typically takes less time to complete than traditional dent repair methods. With skilled technicians utilizing specialized tools, dents can be removed efficiently, allowing customers to get back on the road sooner. Environmentally friendly. Paintless Dent Repair is an environmentally friendly option as it eliminates the need for harmful chemicals used in painting and other processes involved in traditional dent repair. This makes it a sustainable choice for eco-conscious consumers. Maintains vehicle value by preserving the original paint and avoiding the need for extensive repairs. Paintless Dent Repair helps maintain the resale value of the vehicle. Cars with a flawless exterior are more attractive to potential buyers and command higher prices in the market. The benefits of Paintless Dent Repair are undeniable. From preserving the original paint finish to saving time and money, this innovative technique offers car owners a convenient and effective solution for restoring their vehicles to their former glory. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-25-15338. That's 208-25-15338. Or send email at eric@therateofgemstaterepair.com.